So the topic is system of units. Basically there are three system of units: CGS system, that is CGS system, FPS system, and third one we are having MKS system. There is fourth system of unit as well that is currently going, that is system SI system. So firstly talking about CGS system, C is basically centimeter, that is gram, and S is actually the second. So centimeter actually the unit of distance is centimeter, the unit of mass is gram, and the unit of time is second in CGS system. These three are the fundamental quantities in CGS system: centimeter, so distance, mass, and time. These three are the fundamental quantities in CGS system, and another quantity that remaining that will be coming in the drive quantity. Like for example, the drive quantity we are having force, that is the unit of force in CGS system will be dyne, that is a drive quantity. Now we are having another FPS system. FPS system, okay, so the force is actually not a fundamental quantity, that is a drive quantity, and these three are only the fundamental quantities in CGS system. Now coming to FPS system, FPS that is foot, pound, second. The length is the unit of length is actually foot, the unit of force is pound, and the unit of time is second. In FPS system, these three are the fundamental quantities: length, force, and time. These three are fundamental quantities in FPS system. Another, in this system, mass is not the fundamental quantity, that is a drive quantity, and the unit of mass is slug. And there's a value of slug, that one slug is actually equals to 14.6 kilogram. That is an important value. That is mass is the unit of mass is actually a slug. A mass is a drive unit in FPS system, and one slug is actually equals to 14.6 kilograms. Now we are having another system, that is MKS system. That is actually a meter, kilogram, second. The unit of length in MK system is meter, the unit of mass is kilogram, and the unit of time is second. So these three in MK system, these three are the fundamental quantities. Actually in the improvement of MK system, we have now the new system, that is a SI system, that is currently going on. It is in all over the world. Previously there were the CGS system, FPS system, and MKS system. Means in another in one country there is CGS system, like another country there are different systems. So instead of these all, there is one system now going on, that is a SI system. So we are talking about the MKS system. Length is actually, the unit of length is meter, the unit of mass is kilogram, and the unit of time is second. These three are the fundamental quantities in MKS system. Rest are the drive quantities. Like we are having force, that is the unit of force is Newton, and that is a drive quantity in MKS system. Then we are having SI system. We are having 7 fundamental quantities. We know that length, mass, time, temperature, current, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. These seven are the fundamental quantities in SI system, and rest like force, speed, these are the drive quantities in SI system. The unit of length is meter, the unit of mass is kilogram, the unit of time is second, the unit of temperature is Kelvin, the unit of current is ampere, the unit of amount of substance is mole, the unit of luminous intensity is candela. So these are the 7 fundamental quantities in SI system. This is the currently system that is going on. So if we, for example, like if velocity, the formula for the velocity is meter per second. If we say that in CGS system, what will be the formula of velocity? So meter, here the meter is actually distance. This distance, the unit of distance will be centimeter, so it will be centimeter, and the unit of time is actually a second, so here we'll be writing like second. So in CGS system, the formula for the velocity will be centimeter upon second. Whereas if we say in FPS system, what will be the velocity formula? It will be meter per second. The meter is here, it will be the length, and the unit of length is foot, so it will be foot upon, and the unit of time will be second, it will be second, means foot upon second. And in CGS system it will be centimeter upon second, and MKS it will be similar, like meter per second. For example, we are having work that is equals to force into distance. If we say that what will be the formula of work in CGS system, force, the unit of force will be dyne, so here will be written dyne into distance, the unit of distance will be centimeter. So this will be the formula in CGS system. The formula for the work in CGS system will be dyne into centimeter. Whereas if we talk about FPS system, work will be equals to force into distance. Here force is actually pound, here force is pound, into distance is basically length, the unit of length will be foot. So here will be the formula for the work will be pound into foot. So another, let's take another, that will be power. What is the formula of power? Work upon time. In CGS system, if we know that what will be the formula of power, power is basically work upon time. What will be the formula for the work in CGS? We have calculated here, dyne into centimeter, dyne into centimeter, and time, here the unit of time will be second. So this will be the actual formula of power in CGS system. Whereas if we talk about FPS system, we are having power is equals to work upon time. In FPS system, the work is equals to pound upon foot, and time is equals to second. So here the formula for power in FPS system will be pound into foot upon second.